Dalits are Hindus too. Why is the media making such a stupid narrative? This was tweeted by former BJP MP and Dalit leader Hari Manji just a few days ago, referring to media exacerbating an ongoing narrative differentiating Dalits from the rest of the Hindu community. How did this come about and why is it significant? Namaste and welcome to this episode of Political Insights by me, your host Priyanka Deo. Let's get right into the story. Number one, what happened? A news portal made a distinction between a Dalit and a Hindu while communicating about the appointment of two political officials in Punjab. The segregation of Dalits from Hindus is significant. Media continues to refer to this community as a separate entity, especially mainstream media. The main aim? To rationalize that Dalits and Hindus do not belong to the same group when in fact they do. Number two, when does this happen? The segregation of the Dalit caste happens in media frequently. This would be okay if each and every community is differentiated as well, but this does not happen. When it comes to a certain communal group, media goes out of its way to hide identities. During the Delhi riots, for instance, a mainstream media publication even went so far as to crop an image so that a skull cap of a violent rioter would not be seen by readers. In instances of violence during the Delhi riots and anti-CAA events, these rioters' caste, identity, nor religion was called out. Number three, why does this happen? Media differentiates Dalits either when they are victims of atrocity or when a person is put in a prominent position. They are never identified as Hindus, which gives the world the false impression that Dalits are not Hindus. Media also differentiates between Dalits and Hindus when there is fear-mongering involved. The idea is to promote the false narrative that Dalits are constantly living under threat by upper caste Hindus. This happens even if the motive of the crime has nothing to do with religion, identity, or caste. Number four, why the hypocrisy from media? Spreading a fake narrative that segregates the Dalit group from its own Hindu roots is an attempt to break down the Hindu community. The hypocrisy is very evident. Most mainstream media refrains from bringing up or mentioning religion and caste for certain communal groups while emphasizing it for Dalit Hindus. The aim is part of a larger agenda to prevent harmony between the Hindu majority in India so that electoral outcomes are impacted. Segregating Dalits from their Hindu roots not only serves to divide the Hindu community further through misrepresentation and fake narratives, but when this happens, the larger public also buys into this fake propaganda, which furthers divisions within the Hindu community. 5. The political analysis. What's the truth here? Media's attempts to project Dalits as a distinct community is far from what the data shows. 2014 was the first time in decades that non-Jatav Dalits voted heavily in favor of the BJP, and since then, other election polls have shown the same trend. Additionally, especially since PM Modi has risen to power, media organizations have been called out for putting out either false or misrepresented content. The Pune Pact reflected the very fault lines of the Dalit-Hindu debate. The Pune Pact resulted from the British government wanting to allot seats in law-making bodies of India to different communities. While Dalit leaders, including B.R. Ambedkar, supported the proposal because it would advance Dalit interests, Gandhi objected because he felt it would further divide Hindu society, which would weaken India's ability to get independence. It was at this time that Gandhi began his fast unto death. Ambedkar refused to abandon his support for separate electorates until Gandhi was close to death. Ambedkar and Congress leaders then agreed to the Pune Pact in 1932, which declined separate electorates but did give increased representation to Dalits for 10 years. Coming back to the BJP leader Hari Manji's tweet calling out unnecessary Dalit segregation, it garnered a lot of support. In response to the tweet, Madhya Pradesh Home Minister Narottam Mishra rightfully stated, and I quote, "In my opinion, doing so, that segregating Dalits from Hindus, is not appropriate in terms of unity and social harmony of the majority Hindu society." Please share this video to help fight the misinformation. Thanks for watching Political Insights by me, Priyanka Deo. Namaste.